Milk thistle is an herb that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. It is native to the Mediterranean region and grows in many parts of Europe, North America, and Australia. Milk thistle is most well known for its ability to promote liver health and protect against certain types of cancer. In recent years, researchers have discovered other potential benefits as well. Here are some of the amazing health benefits associated with milk thistle. It protects the liver. The active ingredient in milk thistle is silymarin, which has been shown to protect the liver from damage caused by alcohol consumption or exposure to toxins like pesticides or heavy metals. Studies have also demonstrated that silymarin can help regenerate damaged liver cells. This makes it a useful tool in treating conditions such as hepatitis C and alcoholic cirrhosis. It fights cancer. Several studies suggest that milk thistle may be effective at fighting certain types of cancer, including breast, colon, skin, prostate, and lung cancers. Research suggests that silymarin can inhibit tumor growth by blocking cell division while also killing off existing cancer cells. Additionally, animal studies indicate that milk thistle may reduce side effects associated with chemotherapy drugs like nausea and vomiting. It improves digestion. Milk thistle contains several compounds known as flavonoids which act as antioxidants within the body. These compounds can help improve digestion by reducing inflammation within the digestive tract. In addition to this anti-inflammatory effect, research indicates that these same compounds can help increase bile production, which aids in fat digestion. It boosts immune system health. The antioxidant properties found within milk thistle make it ideal for boosting immune system health. Animal studies show that when given orally over long periods of time, it was able to significantly increase white blood cell counts, indicating enhanced immunity levels. Further research also suggests regular intake could potentially reduce risk factors related to autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis. It reduces inflammation. Milk thistle's anti-inflammatory properties make it helpful in reducing pain associated with inflammatory diseases such as gout or joint stiffness. Additionally, studies show supplementation may be beneficial in managing symptoms linked with chronic conditions like asthma or Crohn's disease. Promotes skin health. Silymarin, the active compound found within milk thistle, has been studied extensively regarding its potential impact on skin health. Research shows topical application may be beneficial for those suffering from eczema due to its calming effects on irritated skin tissue. In addition, oral supplements appear helpful preventing acne breakouts due to their antibacterial action against bacteria responsible for promoting infection at cellular level.